Hi, Praveen.
Yeah, hi. So let's start the session. So in the last session we were discussing about the customer master sales, shipping and billing, and we are about to discuss partner functions tab. Okay, we are about to discuss partner functions tab in the customer master. So let's today discuss what is the importance of an account group and partners PDP pricing partner determination procedure in maintaining the customer master. See, in the first session itself we discussed that to maintain or to create a customer master, you need to have what's that? Account groups and partner determination procedure. You should have both of them in the system configured so that then only you can maintain customer master. Why? Because all the configurations whatever you maintain here will be inherited to customer master. Okay, and we also discussed a sample of one scenario of partner functions, that is we have sold to party, ship to party, bill to party and payer. And we have seen an example what is sold to party, what is shipped to party, what is bill to party, what is a payer. Okay, so let us discuss this in detail today. What is the partner determination and what are the roles? You cannot hear. Okay, yeah, please do that. Once exit and rejoin. Madhuri and Vinod, is it clear? My voice to you? Okay, yeah. So Arun, please exit and rejoin. I hope that might fix the issue. So partner determination procedure. So first let's see PDP. Then after we'll go to account groups and then we'll correlate that with the customer master. So to maintain the partner determination procedure, the transaction code is, what is it? UF, not VO PAN. Okay, VOPAN is the transaction code to maintain the partner functions. See, partner functions can be maintained at the customer level, or partners can be maintained at the document level. Okay, sales document level. So first we'll see at customer level now, and later once we finish all the document types, then we'll discuss about maintaining customer at the document level. Okay. Okay, so this is the partner functions tab, what I was discussing, and what now we'll configure, try to understand and configure partner determination procedure PDP, so that you will get this all functionality here. Okay, so let me go to the VOPAN transaction code. So partner determination, that's what the transaction code VOPN is all about. So select customer master. As I told you, partner determination can be maintained at the customer master level, or you can say at the document level, either the sales document or head item level, or at the delivery level, or the shipment billing head, or billing header and item. So it in any levels you can maintain this particular partner determination. So let's first try to understand customer master level. So click on the change this button. So partner determination procedure PDP has by default 5 steps. Okay, 5 configuration steps you have in partner determination procedure. But out of this, actually the first step is default. Okay, first step is default. You don't do anything there. Okay, you just open it, see it, come back. So what are the configurations you do it in the rest of the 4 steps. So that's the reason in the interview sometimes mostly they ask this question like, can you please tell me the steps of configuring partner determination procedure? Okay, but by default it is 5 steps, but coming to the configurations you will be doing only 4 steps. Why? Because the first step is default. Okay, so let's see what is partner determination all about. So the first step, okay, first step in the partner determination procedure, you see the title, partner determination procedures. So the first step in the partner determination procedure is this partner functions. Okay, this partner functions is the first step. So double click on that partner functions, and you can see here SAP has provided, okay, why this first step is a default. Okay, why this first step is a default, and why you don't configure or customize this anything, because SAP has given enough partner functions, okay, like sold to party, ship to party, bill to party, payer, sales employee, okay, credit manager, credit employee, like this, lots of partner functions. See, partner function is nothing but association with the person. That means the business. He can be a vendor, he can be a customer, he can be a fleet owner, anything. Okay, so SAP has given these all partner functions enough actually. Okay, so you will not give any requirement in the real time to configure or create a new partner function. Why? Because if you want to create, don't disturb the standard, copy this and create something like as PS, this as HS, but you will not get a new requirement to create something like as XYZ. Okay, so that's the reason we call this as a default step, first step. Okay, so this is the first step, is the default step, that is partner functions. Double click here and let me show you sold to party. Go to the position and click here. You see, this is sold to party. Next, okay, let me uncheck this. Next is ship to party, SH. You see, we have SH. And BP, we have bill to party, and we also have payer. Okay, so what this controls is SH, SP, BP. See, SP tells you sold to party, SH tells you ship to party. That means this is how system identifies. That is how you identify. SP means as a user, by seeing this, but as a human, as a user, by seeing this, you identify SP partner function means as a sold to party, SH means ship to party, BP means bill to party, PY means payer. Okay, but when I'm copying this SP and writing as PS and SH as HS and BP as PB and PY, payer, as a YP, if I write this, can you identify this, saying that this is a sold to party, this is a ship to party, this is a bill to party, this is a payer? Okay, so as a human you identify with the name whatever you give here, but how system identifies this as a customer is by a field called partner type. Okay, you see this field, partner type. So it can be anything. The name is only namesake. Sold to party SP is only a namesake. Okay, you can write it PS, you can write it is 01, you can write it 10, you can write it XY, anything. But partner type, if you assign KU, system knows that okay, this is a customer. Okay, this is a customer if you assign KU. Okay, so that's the reason how system identifies whether it's a customer or a vendor or he's an employee. This is by partner type. We have multiple partner types. Okay, how system knows that SP is a customer, VN is a vendor? Okay, SP means customer who gives business to you. Vendor means who supplies goods to you. He can supply you raw material, finished goods or trading goods, any kind of goods. Okay, you are buying from vendor and you are selling to customer, SP. How system knows this is a customer and this is a vendor? By partner type. If you assign KU to SP, system identify this is a customer, and you assign as LI, then system identify this as a vendor. Okay, and suppose sales employee, how system knows this is an employee of your company? By partner type. So let me show you all these things. So let me open vendor VN. You see vendor LI, this partner type tells system that he is a vendor. Okay, delivering plant is a vendor. You have different roles here. Sales employee, let me show you. Sales employee, partner type P. That means for any employee, You see person responsible, that is he's a employee of your company, PE. Okay, and sales representative, PE. Okay, so this is how system identifies differentiating between customer, vendor, and your employees, and stock SB, consignment partner, special stock keeping partner, SB. You see this special stock keeping partner, he is also a customer. We'll see when it comes to the consignment who is this special stock keeping partner. Okay, so with the help of partner type, let me show you what are the different partner types we have, and see, never you will get a requirement to create a new partner type. Okay, why? Because you can create, rename, or anything these particular partner functions, but partner type SAP has already given. He is a customer. What kind of customer? Any kind of customer. Assign KU. He is a vendor. He might be supplying you trucks. He might be supplying you spare parts. He might be supplying you raw materials. Any kind of vendor. Okay, or else he is supplying you a stationery. Assign LI. System will identify he is as a vendor. Okay, you see system has given KU customer, LI vendor, and PE personal employee, that is employee of your company. Okay, so like this system identifies what kind of partner function this is. Okay, so if you want to create, you can also create a new partner function. Say my partner function is AQ. Okay, but if I assign KU here, system will treat it as customer. Okay, but whether to make this AQ as a sold to party, or a bill to party, or a ship to party, or a payer, that is up to you. With the functionality you can do that. I'll show you that functionality also. Let me go back. We are in the partner functions, this tab. Okay, so customer, sold to party. If you see sold to party is unique. You see here, this unique is activated for sold to party. But if I go to ship to party, it is not unique. If I go to bill to party, it is not unique. If I go to payer, it's not unique. That means we already discussed earlier, right? Sold to party is a mandatory partner function for any business. That means this is the registered company, or the registered address of the company. Okay, this is mandatory. And sold to party by default will have partner functions like ship to party, bill to party, and payer. These partner functions are default. That means a sold to party can place an order, receive the stock, receive the bill, and pay the bill. But ship to party is meant only for receiving the stock, and bill to party is meant only for receiving the bill, and payer who pays the bill to the vendors. Okay, sorry, payer, that means from whom you charge. Okay, who pays you, that is payer. So and see, there can be only one ship to party. That means there can be only one TCS or only one Tata Motors, right? There cannot be two Tata Motor companies. So how you make that as unique? With the feature now what you have seen, the unique. Okay, this is how system identifies sold to party as a unique partner function. That means you cannot create more than one sold to party. Okay, for your business, okay, for your business you cannot create more than one sold to party, but you can create 1,000 ship to parties, 1,000 bill to parties, and 1,000 payers. But ship to sold to party should be only one. Okay, so how system knows that ship to party is unique? With this indicator unique. UNI means this is unique. Okay, unique. Okay, so that's the reason, as I told you, the first step of the partner functions is default. Why? Because you don't do anything, you don't create anything. Okay, if you really want to create your own user defined, then you can do that. Copy sold to party and create. See, partner functions don't create new, copy and create. Okay, so sold to party. Okay, I have selected both, I guess. So if you want to create your own naming convention and user defined, then select sold to party, copy it. Okay, anyway, leave it this aside. Okay, sold to party, and just rename this. But remember this, what you are renaming it. Okay, you can say ZA. ZA is my sold to party and unique. Like this, you can have your own naming convention, but you need not to create anything new. That's the reason we call this as a default step, configuration step. Okay, so I hope you understood what is partner function now. So let's go to the second step of the partner determination procedure. Okay, so partner determination procedure second step is nothing but this one, partner determination procedures. Okay, double click it. Okay, so what is all about a PDP? What is a partner determination procedure? See, partner determination procedure PDP is something like a placeholder which holds something for you. Okay, it's a placeholder which holds something for you. Okay, so suppose say you take a file, document file, and you place all the documents into that particular folder or file, right? What it's doing is holding. Okay, suppose say you have 10 different activities, then what you can do, you can name each folder with number or name. Say 01 is 1, 02 another placeholder which holds, that means that file is holding separate documents, 03 holding separate documents, like this. Okay, partner determination is also like a file or folder or a placeholder which will hold something for you. Here, as I told you, for in a folder or a file you will be putting documents. In partner determination procedure, you will place partner functions. That means sold to party, ship to party, bill to party, payer. You will place all these partner functions into a placeholder, which will allow you to hold this all partner functions. That's called as partner determination procedure, PDP. So let me show you. So when you click on this, this is the second step. When you click here, SAP has given default partner determination procedures here. You can see here. Okay, partner determination. For sold to party, SAP has given a partner procedure called AG, and for bill to party, system has given RE. It is not ERE, it's only RE, bill to party. And for bill to party, for payer it is RG, RE, RG, AG, and for ship to party it is WE. Take only the last two letters. Okay, AG is for the sold to party, and RE for the bill to party, and RG for the payer, and WE for the ship to party. So these are the partner determination procedures which SAP has already given by standard. Okay, so AG, I'm telling that AG is a partner determination procedure, and in the scenario what we are seeing here, this is AG. Okay, that means a placeholder with name AG is nothing but sold to party. And I told you that sold to party is by default. That means sold to party will have all the four functionalities, right? So this is second step, right? Yeah, this is the second step. So now let us see what all the partner functions this particular AG is holding. Okay, so to see this partner functions, what all there in this particular AGPD partner determination, you see this title, partner determination procedure. So select this and click on this. What is this? Partner functions in procedure. If you want to see what all the partner functions in this particular AG, what you need to do is select this and double click on this. Then what system will show you? System will show you all the partner functions what this particular AG is holding. Let us do this. So I selected this and I'm double clicking on this particular partner functions in procedure. You see? Okay, don't worry about these all things. Why? Because it's an SAP standard, so you have lot of partner functions, but you can create your own like this. Let me show you. You need not to copy this, or else you can also copy, or else you can create your own, like say ZAQ is my PDP. Select this ZAQ and go to click on this particular partner functions in procedure and go to new entries, and you see this is my PDP, and I'm placing my partner functions here: sold to party, ship to party, bill to party, payer. You see, I'm putting my own partner functions. If you have your own naming convention, user defined, maintain that. Now you need to control this. How you control this? With these two fields, that is, as I told you, sold to party can be only one. There cannot be two sold to parties. That's the reason not modifiable. Sold to party cannot be modifiable. That's the reason activate this. And the next field is called as mandatory. Okay. That means, as we already discussed, what is this particular partner determination procedure I am trying to do? This is sold to party, right? In sole to party, what are the mandatory functions? All 4 functions are mandatory. So activate this. That means sole to party is not modifiable and not mandatory, but ship to party, bill to party, payer in sole to party are only mandatory but not they are not modifiable or something. Okay, so this is how you can create and you can place any number of partner functions in your own procedure whatever you create. So let me go back. Okay, so let me show you now AG. This is SAP standard AG. Select this and click on partner functions and procedure. And if I go to sole to party SP, you can see partner function SP. You see sole to party AG SP not modifiable, mandatory. At the same time, if you see bill to party and payer, they are only mandatory but not modifiable. This is the case only with the partner determination procedure sold to party. Every partner function can have its own partner determination procedure. Okay. Now if I try to open this particular bill to party, can you guys tell which is mandatory and which is not modifiable in this case of a bill to party? Anyone? If I'm creating a partner determination procedure for bill to party, what is mandatory and what is not modifiable? Madhuri, Arun, Vinod? No? All are mandatory? Okay, that's Arun's answer.
Mandatory.
All are mandatory, Madhuri?
Yes, it's mandatory.
Okay. So if I go to bill to party, only bill to party is not modifiable and only bill to party is mandatory. So let me select this and take you there. You see, only bill to party is not modifiable and not mandatory. As I told you, bill to party, ship to party and payer are standalone. Okay, they don't have relationship anything. They are standalone. But sold to party has also features like of BP, SH and PY. That's the reason here you are making this and mandatory and these are not modifiable and these are mandatory partner functions for sold to party. But coming to bill to party, this is standalone. Okay. So the reason it is only not modifiable and it is mandatory. That's it. It not need not to have other functions. Okay, you are seeing this here. And if I open ship to party or something, let me go back. Okay, let me open payer. Okay, payer, only payer is not modifiable and mandatory. You need not to have any other functions for this. Why? Because a payer is a payer, that's it. It does not have any functionality. But a sold to party is also a ship to party, bill to party and a payer. That's the reason you are having additional partner functions when you go into the partner procedure for sold to party. Is that clear? All three, Madhuri, Arun and Vinod. Whatever we are discussing up to now, is it clear? Why? Because partner determination procedure is a nightmare and very tedious concept actually. Okay, but I will tell you very simple words. Okay. Yeah, Arun, Madhuri, Vinod. Is it clear, right, for everyone? What we are discussing now until second step. Okay, Vinod is yes and Arun is yes, Madhuri is yes. Okay. Yeah, why? Because it's pretty easy concept, but you should understand it, then is very easy. Okay, so we have discussed about second step. So first step is partner functions. So we know what all the partner functions we have: sold to party, ship to party, bill to party, payer, like this, and we know which is unique or something like this. We have discussed this. Okay, and the partner type. Never you will get a requirement to create new. So this is as a default. We don't do anything here. Step 2 is PDP. That means creating a partner determination procedures and including partner functions into it. Okay, so PDP is nothing but like a placeholder which will accommodate all the partner functions within it. Okay, so now let's go to the third step. Okay, so see, second step is this one. Okay, second step is this one, partner determination procedure. Third step is in procedure. Okay. Second step is only partner determination procedure. Third step is seeing or adding partner functions into the procedure is third step. Okay. So we discussed up to third step. Okay. Now let's see fourth step. Okay. What is the fourth step? This one. Partner determination procedure assignment. That PDP assignment. Okay. So what you are assigning this PDP? To a account group. You see, you are assigning PDP to the account group. Okay. So now let's discuss what is the relationship between PDP and account groups. Okay. So what you have done, you have created a PDP which is AG, suppose say sold to party. And what is the account group for sold to party? Anyone? What is the account group for sold to party? 00001. So let me now let's first discuss about account groups, and let's see the relation of between PDP and these all things. Okay, the T code for account groups is OVT0. Okay, OVT0 is the T code for account groups. So let me open account groups now. OVT0 account groups. Okay, you see what system is saying? This data is locked by user. That means I have been in this screen already. That's just the reason system is saying that you already in that screen, whether you want to display only or something. Why is it? I haven't opened it, but why system says? Because we are in that particular partner functions that screen right earlier, which is assigning PDP to account group. That's the reason system has told. You see, sold to party, it is 0001 account group. If I go to the details of this 0001, in the partner determination procedure, I can see AG. So how this AG has come into 0001? That is with this configuration of fourth step, that is nothing but partner determination procedure assignment. Select your account group. If it is standard, leave it like that, or if you have your own user defined account group, select that and assign whatever the partner determination procedure you created, AG. So with this, what happens? First, you created partner functions. First step, step 1, you created partner functions, sold to party, ship to party, bill to party, and payer. In step 2, what you have done, you have put all these functions into one partner determination procedure called as AG. Sorry, you created an AG. Then after, in the step 3, you have put all the partner functions into this AG, right? Sold to party, ship to party, bill to party, and payer, right? You have put all the partner functions into this part PDP. Now what you are trying to do in the step 4, you are trying to assign your partner determination procedure to account group. This is account group and this is PDP. You are trying to assign this particular AG to 001. So when you assign your partner determination procedure to account group, what happens? AG has all these partner functions. So these partner functions are inherited to PDP, and when you assign to 001, this also inherit to 001. So when you create a customer with reference to this account group XD01, this all functionalities will flow to this particular customer. That's what you are seeing here in the customer master partners tab. That's what you are seeing, SP, BP, PY, PSH. How this all has come? Only the reason because you assign, excuse me, you assign this, you have defined a PDP and you have put all the functions in it, and you have assigned that PDP to the account group, and when you create a customer, you refer to the account group. That's the reason all the functionalities has been flown to this particular customer, and this particular functions will be shown here in the customer master partners tab. I hope now you guys can correlate with all the three concepts. Is it clear? Why we need, if you are creating customer master, why we need account group and PDP? Okay, PDP is only one part of account group. Account group has more functionalities, but PDP is only one part. So out of that, so now we have seen PDP. What is PDP? Okay. So that is fourth step. Let's discuss fifth step of this last step. Okay. So this is the fourth step, that is assigning partner determination procedure to account group. Then after the fifth step is account groups function assignment. Account groups function assignment is the fifth step. So double click this, and here what you will be doing is what all the partner functions you placed in your PDP earlier, the same partner functions again you will assign to your account group also. Okay. So select your partner function, say suppose sold to party 001, ship to party 001, bill to party 001, payer 001, like this. Okay, you are assigning all your partner functions which you have placed earlier in a PDP. Now what you are doing is you are assigning the same partner functions or placing those functions to the account group. Okay, so we are doing two assignments. Partner functions you are assigning to two things. One is your PDP and account group. This is very important interview question also. They ask many times in the interview, say that why you are assigning partner functions to both PDP. You see, you are assigned your partner functions here to PDP, right, in the third step. And why you are assigning your partner functions to account group. Okay, so first step, why you are assigning your partner functions to PDP is in customer master to get this sold to party, bill to party, payer and SH. Okay, the first assignment you are assigning partner functions to what we call PDP. That's the reason you are seeing this. You see this partner function, you are getting this. And second assignment, why you are assigning this particular partner functions to this account group. You see account group function assignment, why you are assigning this is to get customer number here. Okay, why you are getting these numbers? You see this number is flown to all the partner functions. How? Because you assigned this particular partner functions to this account group and you created this particular customer with reference to sold to party 0001 account group. Okay, so this is partner determination procedure. So is that clear to everyone what is we are discussing about partner determination procedure? Arun, Madhuri, Vinod, is that clear what we are discussing now? Okay, Madhuri, yes. Vinod, Arun. Okay. See, you need not to worry about even if you don't understand something now. Just watch the video once. Why? Because partner determination procedure is something like a nightmare even for a working consultants. 4-5 years working consultants also struggle in configuring partner determination procedure. So don't worry about that. Take some time to understand this. Go to the video multiple times and take some time and understand it. Okay. So that's what the partner determination procedure concept is all about. And you placed this PDP into the account group. Okay, PDP you have assigned here. So that's the reason all the functionalities are flowing from here to account group and account group to customer master, and you can see them in the field in the tab partner functions here. Okay, so now let us discuss account groups. What all functionalities we have okay, one more question. See, very recent interview Bristol Cone, they asked this question, that is, I have one sold to party, but one sold to party has 1000 ship to parties. As I told you, we can create any number of ship to parties, but whenever I am creating an order for this customer, system should take already 80 number ship to party. All the time system should take only 80 number ship to party. Even though I have 100, system should take only 80 number ship to party. Okay, so they asked this question in very recent interview in Bangalore, Bristol Cone. The answer is, if you see my particular customer master here, I have 3 sold to parties. Ship to, for one sold to party, I have 3 ship to parties. How system knows which to select out of these 3? How system knows? That is, say suppose when I try to create an order, system will prompt /n xd not VS01. See, when if you have multiple sold to parties, not salty, we cannot have multiple sold to parties. If you have multiple ship to parties or bill to parties or payer, what happens is whenever you try to create an order for particular ship to sold to party, system will give an option for you to select which ship to party you want to deliver it. Okay, so I'm trying to create an order. I'll show you practical this thing. Okay, so I'm in the order screen now. So now I'm trying to create an order for this customer. Okay, who is this customer? Sold to party 1000. This our customer, whatever we are discussing, and try to create an order for this particular customer. And see, I'm leaving this blank, this ship to party field as blank. Okay. Okay, you see, I left this field as blank. So when you leave this field blank, what happens is system will propose ship to parties for you to select, or else you can give ship to party directly, so that the system will not prompt any list to you, and directly it will create ship to party for this. But I will not give ship to party and try to create an order. You see, when I left this field blank, ship to party, system is proposing, asking me, saying that to which, who is your ship to party, select that, either this zeros or 567 or 129. If I take you to the customer master partners tab, you see zeros or 567 or 129. These are my ship to parties. So here I can select to which ship to party this order should be delivered. Okay, so when you have multiple ship to parties, you can leave that field blank, so that system will allow you to select this. Okay, but even though I have hundreds of thousands of ship to parties, but system should select only one for this customer, even though I leave this field blank. How can you do that? That question was asked in Bristol Con. That is, you see this field, or right, D. Even 10 years working consultants fail to answer this question many times. Okay, so 80 number, I'm telling 80 number, right? You have 1000, then default, select this. This is called as default. So for 80 number, maintain this, so that even though you have 100, whenever you try to create an order, system will take only 80 number or this as a default. Okay, you try this scenario. Okay, you try this scenario when you practice. So let us discuss account group now. So account group, what actually account group controls? Account group controls field statuses of customer master, which we already discussed. We can either make it suppress, display, or required, like this. Apart from this, and we also seen number ranges. Number ranges we assign to account group. Partner determination procedure we account added to account group. So these are we add everything to the account group, so that what happens is, when you create a customer with reference to account group, all these functionalities will flow to the customer ultimately. Okay, coming to the account groups, we also have one-time customers. Okay, so we already know that the account group for sold to party is 0001, and the account group for goods received means ship to party is a 0002, payer 0003, bill to party 0004. Like that, we have one-time customers. Okay, who are one-time customers? That is nothing but, you see, you take example of Big Bazaar, or you take some other stores like a Shop or Stop or something. Thousands of customers visit those companies, right? Those stores. So it's not possible for them to maintain information of every customer. That means they cannot collect this much information from every customer. Why? Because suppose, let me give an example. I'm traveling from Hyderabad to Delhi. Okay, in between somewhere I have stopped at Bhopal or something. Okay, I visited a store in the Bhopal, a Big Bazaar in the Bhopal, and I bought something. There is no guarantee that again I'll go in the same route, and again I'll stop at the same location, and I'll go to the same Big Bazaar and buy that. That means it's waste for the Big Bazaar to collect my all details. Why? Because there is no guarantee that I am a returning customer to them. Okay, So these are called as one-time customers. Okay. So if you try to maintain data for every one-time customer, like see Big Bazaar, you take Walmart, millions of transactions they do, millions of customers. So they cannot maintain the data for each and everyone. So the reason what SAP has given is, if you have a returning customer, maintain customer master data, or else if you have one-time customers, create a one-time customer. Okay. Uh, CPD and CPDA are the account groups for one-time customers. Let me show you. Position CPD, you see, or CPDA are one-time customers. If I go to CPDA, you can see the details. This one-time customer is activated. Okay, anyway, this is display mode. Okay, I will go to change mode. Oh, CPDA. Okay, so select this, and if I go to this details, you see one time customer is activated for this particular uh, account group. This makes this CPDA, that means whenever you try to create a customer slash n xd01 and you select CPDA or CPD, anything, okay, and just press enter. Okay, access is not defined for the objective target. Okay, I need to give a number, suppose say 123. Okay, let me take CPD internal. Okay, leave it blank. You see, when I'm trying to create a one-time customer, system is asking very few details. It's not even asking me anything, name, this country, that's it. No phone number, no fax, nothing for one-time customer, right? Because they don't need it. We don't maintain all the data. Okay, so this is one-time customer. Very few details system collects. Why it's collecting only name? Because at least I need to give a bill sometimes. And country, because you are a foreign customer or a domestic customer, to identify this. So that's the reason system is collecting very few details when it comes to one-time customer. Okay, so that's what the controls what we have coming to the customer master, account groups, and PDP. Okay, we have finished discussing about everything. Now I hope you can correlate everything between the partner determination procedure, customer master, and account groups. So any questions, anyone? Any questions? Yeah, Arun, go ahead. You can speak out. Okay, type your question. And Madhuri and Vinod, yourself, you have any questions? Okay, Madhuri is clear. Vinod, okay, clear. Yeah, Arun, you can type your question, Arun. Okay, if we are creating asset separately, how will we assign it to the existing sold to party? So if you go to the view pan, and go to the customer master. So say suppose you created a partner function sold to party separately. Okay, and how you are assigning to what particular what we call sold to party is, so go to the procedure, and in the procedure sold to party you can place your particular partner function whatever you created and make it as mandatory for this sold to party. Is that clear, Arun? Okay, ship to party. Okay, how you want to add a ship to party customer, right? Okay, that you can do directly, Arun. You can key in that figures here. So slash n xd01. Oh, sorry, no xd01 slash n xd02. You can directly key in here. Okay, enter your under this particular customer sold to party. You can use ship to party and enter the name like this and enter. That's it. You can directly key in here. Okay. Okay. So any more questions, Arun? See, partner determination, this concept takes a little time. So I'll send the video as at the earliest by mostly tomorrow by 11 or sometime. Just again watch the video. Okay, so that you'll have complete idea. Okay, so we finished one concept. So tomorrow we'll be discussing about material master, the second master data. Okay, so second master data we will be discussing. Okay, anything tomorrow before starting the material master, for first 5 minutes or 10 minutes we'll discuss about some real-time concepts of customer master. Okay, there are something more which you should know, so we'll be discussing that. Why? Because today itself is a lot of things which we discussed. You need to put a lot of brains to understand this. Okay, so we'll call it a day today here. We'll stop the session, and tomorrow we'll discuss first for 10 minutes the real-time concepts of the customer master, and later we'll start the material master. Material master may take 2 days time. We'll finish that. Okay, so most probably by this weekend we'll finish all the master datas, and the next week we'll go to the document type controls. Okay, so we'll call it a day today here. So good night everyone. Bye bye.